Hello everyone, yours Asif Hussain. In this video, we will be discussing what is time management. Time management. We had been listening this word lot of times. What do we think what is time? How many hours of time we are wasting daily in our life? We are watching mobile phones, we are using laptops, we are watching TV, we are using the electronic gadgets for spending our time. Do we think or do anyone think the time that we have wasted will come back? No, it will not. As you had seen the situation as of now, how do we were in the last year and how we are now in this period? Time is not the main thing. Time is the only thing that we have. Time management is the best management. You have to start your idea, your goal, everything with a proper time plan. We are seeing many children who are using mobile phones only at the age of 1 or 2. So that is the habit that will be forever to everyone. Let me give some examples of time management. Let me give you a question. What is the value of 1 second for you? What is the value of 5 minutes for you? What is the value of 2 seconds for you? Let me relate these questions with an example. An aeroplane is about to land. It has only 5 minutes of time to land on the ground, but the pilot is trying hard to open the wheels. Wheels are not opening. So tell me the value of those 5 minutes of those people who are sitting in the plane and for the pilots. I will give one more example. Let us take an example of a soldier. A soldier is in a war. He is just 2 feet in distance with his enemy. So he has to load his gun and shot, for example. At that time he has stuck with some problem in his weapon. So just think those 2 seconds value of those soldiers. For example, a policeman should catch his enemy or whoever it is. He is just 5 meters far from the target. But at that point of time, he had faced some technical issue with his equipments or with his weapons, whatever he has. So think those 5 minutes value of that policeman. So like that, there are lot of time that we had been wasting in our day-to-day life. Do you think all these things will come back? Now you don't have any responsibility of the time. There should be a responsibility for the time as well. The more you are responsible for the time, the more you are responsible for your career. The more you are responsible for your career, the more successful you be. The more successful you be, the more happy you are. The more happy you are, the more happiest life your kids will be. The more happiest life your kids are living, the more happiest your family is. The more happiest your family is, the more happiest is the society. The more happiest is the society, the most happiest is the city. The more happiest is the city, the more happiest is the nation. So follow a good time, have a proper time management. Don't waste your time for unnecessary things. Kindly utilize your time. Try to improve your skills. Try to help people. Be active in social activities and lead a happy life. Thank you.